Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at coroutines, when and how to use them, and also the benefits of using them. A function, when called, executes all the actions in it before returning control to Unity. This happens within a single frame update. The function named myFunction will print to the console "Hello World" 10 times in a single frame. That is not the case with coroutines. A coroutine is like a function that has the ability to pause execution and return control to Unity, but then to continue where it left off after some time. There are many benefits of using coroutines. 1. To execute some actions gradually over multiple frame updates. 2. To pause and resume execution based on some conditions. And 3. Force the execution of some actions in a sequential order. In a script, a coroutine is defined with the keyword "IEnumerator" followed by a name. All coroutines must have a yield return statement. Yield return null means execution of the coroutine will pause at that moment and resume at the next frame. More than one yield return statement can appear in a coroutine. Another common condition upon which execution of a coroutine resumes is time. Yield return new wait for seconds or wait for seconds real time can be used to pause and resume after a specified number of seconds. For example, the coroutine named print out numbers coroutine will print numbers from 1 to 10 in 10 seconds. The function start coroutine is used to call a coroutine. And we use the function stop all coroutines to stop all coroutines in a script. A coroutine can be defined as a variable, in which case a specific coroutine can be started, stopped, and restarted again using its variable. Now let's look at 3 examples that demonstrate the value of coroutines. Example 1. We have here in our scene a sphere. We want to move it through some distance. When we enter play mode, the cube will move instantly. Why? Because all the code for the movement executed in a single frame update. Now let's use a coroutine instead. Because of the yield return null statement, the loop paused and resumed frame by frame. Instead of pausing every frame update, we can pause and resume after, say, every 0.02 seconds. This will even make the motion more gentle. Let's consider another example. We want to display the uptime of our game in hours, minutes, and seconds. This could have been achieved using the update function, but that will run every frame. Since you only need the time to update every second, placing the code in an update function will be unnecessarily expensive with respect to performance. The third benefit of using coroutines is to force the execution of some pieces of code in a sequential order. Right now we have four coroutines. Each one moves the cube in a certain direction. To force one coroutine to execute after the completion of another, we will nest these four coroutines in another coroutine. Coroutines are usually associated with loops. The yield return statement only pauses the execution of codes in a coroutine, but to exit a loop inside the coroutine, you use yield break to do so. For example, we can let the display uptime coroutine stop at the 2 minutes mark. This is where we come to the end of our tutorial on coroutines. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.